WORLDVIEW presents 5 things that make women more beautiful even without makeup. Which woman on planet Earth doesn't want to look beautiful and charming? You can be sure if all women want to look beautiful and charming. Not only does she want to look beautiful in front of others, at least she looks beautiful in front of her partner or for herself. So, how to make it look more beautiful and charming? Can wearing heavy makeup be a guarantee that a woman will look beautiful? True beauty is not only limited to makeup. True beauty comes from kindness and attitude. There are some attitudes or things that make women more beautiful, even without makeup. What are those things? Number 1. Sincere smile. A sincere smile can make a person look charmingly beautiful. A sincere smile will make the female look even sweeter, attractive, harder, and pleasing to the eye. You could say, if a smile is one of the natural makeup, the face will look fresher and more beautiful with a sincere smile. Number 2. Patient nature. Women who have a patient nature will also look more beautiful and charming. Indeed, it is not easy to be a patient person, but you have to know if patience will make you look impressive and charming. Patience will also make you look more charming in front of others. Number 3. Good listeners. Women who can be listeners for both couples, friends, and closest people, and even others will have their own charm. There are not many women who can be good listeners, let alone those who can keep secret well. When you can do it, this will make you even more beautiful and charming. Many people will also feel comfortable and valuable when they are near you. Number 4. Friendly personal. The next thing that makes a woman more beautiful is friendly attitude. Friendly and playful women have a greater charm. A friendly attitude will make women look more beautiful. Number 5. Maintain cleanliness. A woman's beauty and charm will increase when she maintains personal hygiene and also her environment. Women who keep themselves clean will look charming in front of anyone. It also looks pleasant and soothing. That is the traits or thing that can make women more beautiful and charming. So that you also look more beautiful, make sure you have these traits. Stay eager to do good and spread good for those around you, so that your life is much more rewarding. Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.